Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to be signed into the Google account that holds the backup. Once signed in, go straight to Google One or your device settings Google Backup. Make sure you identify the exact device backup or app backup you intend to delete so you don't remove something important. While you're there, check storage usage to confirm the backup exists and how large it is. If two-step verification is on, have your phone ready to approve the login so you can proceed without interruption. Once you locate the backup in Google One or your device backup list, tap the specific entry to open details, then choose Delete Backup. You'll see a prompt that deletion is permanent. Read the summary so you know what's being removed. After you confirm, the system will purge the stored backup from Google servers. Make sure you have any local copies you need. Once deleted, also disable automatic backup for that device or app if you want to prevent future backups from being created. After deletion, go back to the backups list to verify the item is gone and check your Google One storage to confirm space freed. Make sure to empty Google Drive trash if any related files were moved there, and sign out on shared devices. If the backup still appears, force a sync or clear the Google One or Settings app cache, then reload the page. This resolves stale display issues. If deletion fails, retry from a desktop browser and check for multiple accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.